What is going on, everybody in Max Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing the battery test of the Moto G Power. Stay tuned.
What the?
Being that the Moto G Power has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, this video is probably going to span over the next several days because odds are I'm not going to be able to kill it by the end of the night. It's going to take at least a couple of days because this device battery life is amazing. Like, it's probably second to none if you ask me. So I'm going to be checking in with you guys periodically, and the setup is going to be pretty much the same. I'm going to be shooting this entirely with the LG V8 at 60 frames per second. And we're going to actually see what the Moto G Power battery life is actually like for Max Rock. And I'm a pretty heavy user, so let's see what happens and see you in the next one. So here we have the Moto G Power, and as you can see, we're on 100% there. I just took it off the charger, and hold on, let me fix this. So as I was saying, this is going to be a battery test for the Moto G Power here. This device has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with the Snapdragon 665 inside. And I can already tell you that this is going to be a pretty interesting video because everybody has different usage, and you're going to see Max Rock's usage. So I'm going to be doing my usual stuff, taking pictures, shooting videos, browsing the internet, watching YouTube videos, Netflix, all that good stuff, like I do every single day on my device here, to see just how long the phone can actually last. And so I'm gonna be checking in or checking back in probably like every 20% or so to let you guys know just, how good the battery is every 20% as opposed to doing it at 150, then 0. So let's just see how long this device can actually last on 100% charge over the next several days. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I'm gonna have to take this in. So Max Squad, what's going on, everybody? Back again with a update to the battery test of the Moto G Power here. So earlier I made a video talking about the Moto G Power being on 100%. I had just took it off the charger. And so now it's time to go ahead and give you guys an update about where the battery is currently. So I'm currently at 80%. I'm gonna do 20% every single time I do an update video here. And I might throw something in between every now and then. This depends on how I'm feeling, but let me go ahead and give you guys that update. So as of right now, I'm on 80%, as you can see up there. I've been rocking the device very heavily, keeping it on full brightness. This depending on what exactly I am using it for, but different things will kill the phone, of course. Now, I've been outside a couple times. I took some pictures. I've been watching a ton of videos. I'm currently listening to a podcast right now. Actually, it disappeared on me there, but I'm actually online looking at some devices here on AliExpress, and looking at this. I think it's called the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S for $219. But I'm kind of scared to make a purchase from AliExpress because, well, yeah, I don't have to get into detail about that. But yes, the device is currently on 80% and it's at 352. Let me go ahead and give you guys the screen on time. And keep in mind here, everybody's usage is different. I'm heavily using this phone here. And so with about 20% gone, I got about an hour and 57 minutes of screen on time. And the last charge was 4 hours ago. And I'm at 80%. So if I keep using the device the way I am going to be using it here, it says I should be able to last about 4 a.m. So depending on whether or not, the device does die before then or last until the next day, I will go ahead and make some more updated videos here. But I've just been, like I said, taking pictures on YouTube, streaming some stuff, rocking it on full brightness. So that's definitely been something that's been killing the phone. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this video cut a little bit short because it was just a small update. And I'll see you guys at 60%. So what's going on, Max Squad? Welcome back to the battery test of the Moto G Power here. So yeah, we went into the next day. It is currently Currently 9:32 in the morning here. And I got about 60% of battery life. So, pretty much what I expected. I knew the device was not going to die for sure. Yeah, so 12 o'clock in the afternoon, I took it off the charger, lunchtime. and it was able to go all the way until about 65%, all the way until like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night, maybe even 1 in the morning actually. And it went down about 1 or 2% overnight. And I used it a little bit this morning, and now we're at 60%. So for sure, this device is gonna last all the way into the next day. And then I'll probably end up closing the video out around that time. But let me go ahead and show you guys my usage. Yeah, so this right here is the usage of the Moto G Power here. Let me go into battery. So as you see there, we at 60% battery left. And I currently got this device almost at full brightness. Now let me go into the battery here. Now it says the device has been off the charger, or the last full charge was 21 hours ago, which is pretty much accurate. And the screen usage is 4 hours of screen on time with 60% battery left. And so they're saying I got about a day, 8 hours left. As of right now, we're slowly killing the battery. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour phone, so it's not going to be very simple to kill it. And on top of that, we have the Snapdragon 665, so it's not a CPU that's going to eat up battery. So it's 9:34 right now. I'll check back in with you guys when the device hits 40%. So until then, deuces. So what's going on, Max Squad? Back again with the check-in for the battery test of the Moto G Power here. As you can see, we've got 45% left, and it is currently 2:17 p.m. I'm actually in the middle of working on the edit here. This is for a new video that I'm working on with the Moto G Power and the Galaxy A20, so stay tuned for that. But I'm actually getting ready to go ahead and update a lot of my thumbnails on some of my YouTube videos. As you can see, I took a ton of them here, a whole lot, and that was breakfast this morning. We last full charge the device 26 hours ago, and the screen usage was 5 hours 40 minutes. Now, silly me, I forgot to have the microphone plugged in this portion of the video, but the LG G8 has some pretty good mics, so hopefully the audio won't be too much of a difference, but you probably will hear a difference because I don't have the mic plugged in. But we currently have about 44% battery left, and it said it should last until 10:30 a.m. I guess the next day, but probably not the next day. But I'll say into the end of the night for sure. But I'll probably check back in with you guys in about another 20, maybe 25%, and let you know how the phone is doing. I'm getting ready to edit some photos, like I said, so who knows how much that's going to kill the phone. I also did a little bit of gaming, and who knows, maybe a gaming test is coming pretty soon with the Moto G Power. But until then, I'm going to be out. Deuces. So what is going on, Max Squad? Got another update here for the battery test of the Moto G Power. And as you can see here, we got 11% of battery left, and it's currently 9:46 at night. So if I had to guess, I'll say probably last until midnight if I use it regularly here. We got about 8 hours, 39 minutes of screen on time, and the last full charge was over 33 hours ago. And the kind of usage that I've been getting on this, as far as since the last update or last check-in, I think I had about 44% or 45%, not 100% sure, but it's been heavy usage since that point. I'm downloading pictures in the background, editing pictures. These were basically tasks that I had planned for myself, and I wanted to get it done on this phone. And it just so happened to be a perfect time because I'm doing a battery test. Also did some gaming on this device as well, played the Call of Duty mobile game, and actually not too bad in that. And definitely going to be featuring that game on the gaming test for the Moto G Power here. But yeah, like I said, 11% of battery left. And of course, if I tried to save a little bit of it, use it a little bit less, I could have got a little bit more battery out of it. But I am a person that keeps their phone on bright, like full bright, pretty much throughout the day because I'm in and out the house. So keeping my phone screen bright is definitely an important thing for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this part of the video out and see you guys in the next part. So Max, but I'm back with another update for the Moto G Power battery test here, and currently we're at 2%. Been using this phone for at least a day and a half, and with my usage, this can go anywhere from full brightness all day to taking pictures all day to watching videos all day, watching Netflix all day. It could be a variety of different things, and I ended up getting the phone down to 2% in less than 2 days. Yeah, let me go ahead and flip the camera around to show you guys exactly how much screen on time I got and close out the video. So here is the Moto G Power here. Let's go ahead and get a zoom in on that 2%. So you can see we're on 2%. It's 11:55 going on midnight here. Going to be May the 1st. And we've been rocking this device for almost a day and a half now. Let me go ahead and go into the settings. Show you guys the battery. So we got 9 hours, 58 minutes of screen on time. 36 hours ago was the last charge. 2% battery left. So the phone, it's still saying that the phone's gonna last until 12:45 a.m., which is kind of crazy. But it is 100% true. The Moto G Power for 2020 still has killer battery life. And I can guarantee you that I can get more out of this battery from this device if I was really trying to, but I wasn't really trying to. I was using the phone for regular usage. I didn't charge it for almost a day and a half straight. Probably like more so, is it a day and a half? I think so. Yeah, 36 hours. That's a day and a half. So yeah, I didn't charge it for a day and a half and we're still on 2%. So definitely gonna keep using it until it actually just completely dies out. But yeah, that's gonna be the Moto G Power battery test here. If you guys like this video here, let me know in the comment section. Do you prefer blogs or reviews and tests in video styles like this? Let me know in the comment section below. But be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any coverage on the Moto G Power in future videos. Also like this video if you haven't liked it already. That does help the channel grow. But the most important thing I do need is for you to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.